Okay, so we talked about debugging. Now, what is lazy debugging? So lazy debugging is when you do something that is without a debugger. Let's just say here, we want to see what is number 1. So just make a simple cout statement that does that for you. And you can also do something like this, result before. And we see what result previously was. This can have its own benefits compared to debugging. Whereas if you just see the debugging, you will just have to remember what it was. Where in this one, you can also see what happens afterwards. So let's just make a breakpoint here, just to jump over here. And actually, let's comment these out and show you what the debugger was versus lazy debugging. So you see result, we have this uninitialized value. We have 0. And then it changed to 0.5. See, from here you have to remember the original value. But what if you have something that can help you? And note here we have nothing displayed here, since we stopped the program, and nothing was displayed yet, but we didn't reach any cout statements yet. Now what I call lazy debugging, you have these cout statements. So you can print it onto the console what is number 1, number 2, and what is result before and after. So note here is printing all of these. So number 1 and 2 are 1 and 2. And result before, even the debugger says 0, but we print that to the console too. We finally do the division of number 1 and number 2 and assign it back to result. Now, right now it's 0. Once we've done that, once we did the division, it's 0.5. The console didn't update yet. Once we display it to the console, cout, then we have result after 0.5, and now you see what happened. It was this before, and now it's this after. This can actually help you to figure out what's happening. Now, to let you know, it's not recommended to doing this, okay? But you may need to do that at certain cases where you use lazy debugging. But at least you know what lazy debugging is. It's just kind of like making cout statements or other. It's just like using the cout statements to figure out what's happening.